Hey boys and girls, this is GothOnBudget back with Mrs.Cloey Tells Scary Stories. Yeah, this is gonna be a audio, not a visual. Yeah. We've been stuck in the house for way for too long. Anyways, this story is actually for young adults. And it's a bit scary. This is why I tell kids to never pick up hitchhikers. It's always a bad idea. Yes, we're being good people at the same time. You never know who's going to be a serial killer. So, here we go. A recently married couple were on a long road trip through the heart of the United States. One night it was raining hard, and the headlights of their car flashed across a bearded man on the side of the road hitchhiking. Not usually one for picking up hitchhikers, the husband stopped and pulled over to offer the guy a lift because the weather was so bad. The man thanked the husband and climbed in the back of the car. He seemed agitated and edgy, barely speaking a word for the whole journey. Eventually the couple dropped him off where he asked, at a crossroads. The rain was still coming down in sheets. The couple drove for a good while. And to pass the time, the husband turned on the radio. The couple heard a news report about an escaped lunatic considered very dangerous, who should not be approached under any circumstances. The description matched the hitchhiker, and the couple looked at each other, clearly shocked, but happy nothing bad had occurred. Just then, the car gave out, and no amount of keying the engine would make it start again. The husband tells his wife to stay in the car while he sets off through the rain to try and get help. Never separate. The woman locks the doors and wants to listen to the radio, but the car battery seems dead. Eventually she dozes off. A while later, she wakes up, seeing flashing police lights through the water coming down the windshield, and a voice through a loudspeaker, "Lady, open the door. Get out of the car and run towards us as fast as you can. Do it now." The woman is confused, but she gets out of the car with her hands above her head. "Run! Don't look back!" orders the police officer. But the woman is curious and turns. In the flashing blue lights, she sees the top of the car where the hitchhiker has a machete and is hacking at the dismembered corpse of her husband. Blood is streaming down the sides of the car. She screams and faints as a flurry of gunshots ring out. The end. Well, kiddos, next time you're driving country, do not pick up hitchhikers, even if it's for a good cause. Anyways, this is GothOnBudget. Hope you guys are staying home and staying safe. I'll see you next time. Stay spooky.